Hi friends, how are you today? I hope you're having a good day so far. So as you saw from the thumbnail, I bought some wigs. So I thought I would just unbox them with you today. And what I'm gonna do is I'll put a poll up on my community tab. If you're subscribed, it should come through your feed. But if not, you can just go over, go to my channel, hit the little community tab, and then you'll see all the posts that I've made. So even if it's not a video, like if it's just a post about something, you'll see everything there. But I'll put a poll there and I will ask which wig you want to see a review on first. Whichever one wins is the wig that I will do the first review on. I don't think I have tried any of these wigs. So they're all from, as you can see, Paula Young. They vary in color. One of them is a color that I have not seen before, so I'm really excited about that. But let's go ahead and get into it. There's a tag that's covering up what it is, and it's not on the other side. So this is a surprise. I'm not sure which one this is. Here we go. It is a dark color. I can tell that. This is Emery in the color 4. Let's see, I think I have 2 that are maybe in the color 4. And I have worn 4 before, and I know that I like that color. It's a cute little bob. And what I was really looking for when I purchased this one is I was just wanting something that was just very kind of like everyday. You know what I mean? Just everyday. This one does have a small lace front here and then a machine made top. There is some permatease on top, but just a nice classic bob, which I do like for every day. And right now I'm actually wearing a topper. This is a Uniwigs topper, and it really does match that color. So Emery, number 4. Next one is Lorelei, and this is in the color 812A. I know that I've had this color before, and I remember not feeling like super confident about it, just because I felt like it was a little. Now, let me just be clear here. When I tried 812A for the first time, I remember that it was closer to when I started wearing wigs. And this is my natural hair color, okay? So this is what I'm used to, something very dark. And then I remember when I got this, I was like, oh, I feel like it's way too like gold or something. This one does not have a root. This one was sent inside out, which is fine. Oh, cute. I can already tell, really cute little waves, maybe a little bit of box hair there. But this color doesn't scare me now. It's so funny how that happens. If you are a newer wig wearer, or even if you're not, and maybe you got a wig or 2 or whatever that you got when you very first started wearing wigs and the color just wasn't right for you, go and take those out of the box, because you may have kind of grown in that sense and that you can wear other colors. And this is definitely one that I can wear now. It wouldn't scare me. And I was thinking that when I purchased this, I was like, well, I can just put a root in it. But you know what? I would just totally wear it like it is. Super cute little curls going away from the face. I like that. And actually, I really do like this color. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so Lorelei, color 812A. So that'll be on the list. Next, this one I'm excited about because I have never seen this color in person. This is Modern Beachy, and it's in the color EX630 number 4. So super excited. This is part of the Synergy collection, so the box is a little bit different. I don't think I've gotten a box like this before. And this one also is packaged inside out. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at this. Look at these colors. This one definitely has some box hair. I did buy these several months ago, and they've been sitting in the box. I just haven't had the time to unbox them, and I've been busy with other wigs and trying to get reviews for those and stuff. So I just haven't had the time to unbox these. I bought all of this with my own money. So just so you know, this is purchased solely by me. But modern beachy wave, I think what I'll do before I wear this one is just spray it with some water, because I think these are supposed to be, you know, beachy and not just poking out like that. But that's okay, we can fix it. Beachy wave, this will be on the list as well if you want to see this one. Next is a hand-tied. So this is part of the Paula Young Couture collection, and this is in the color, the style Sheer Passion, and it's the color number 4. Very nice. Beautifully packaged. This one has all the bells and whistles here. Do y'all keep the hair nets? Do y'all keep these? In the paper? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Okay. All right, this one is pretty. Number 4, gorgeous. And this is the Couture collection, which means that it's a hand-tied cap. So this is a hand-tied cap. It does have a lace front, pretty generous lace front there. And just a longer bob, I guess you'd say, with a little bit of a wave down at the bottom. Very pretty. Okay, so Sheer Passion, color 4. These next two are different from anything that I've ever purchased at Paula Young. So one is a topper, and honestly, I forgot that Paula Young had toppers. And I don't know why I happened to think about it and just looked one day, and there aren't a lot of reviews here on YouTube about the Paula Young toppers. So I thought that I would go ahead and try one out. This is in the color 6. There we go. It's the long topper. You see how it's packaged there. It is nicely packaged, that's for sure. This is nice. It does not have a lace front, but I believe, if I'm not mistaken, there's a little bit of a bang there that you can kind of swoop over. The base, it has 4 clips, pressure sensitive clips, and a little mono filament crown, I guess you call it. I really don't know anything about Paula Young toppers. So that'll also be on the list that you can choose from. So long topper in the color 6. And you know, while I'm thinking about it, I can also do a color comparison of Paula Young like brown colors if you want. I know that I have, of course, the 4, I have 6, I have 8, 12A, and I have 8, 12, number 6. Is that? Yeah, I think that's what it is. So I have several of the brown colors. I don't think I have a 1. But yeah, I have several of the brown colors if you want a comparison. I do have a one video from a long time ago, and the color, I know the lights weren't really good, but if you're wanting another one, I can do it and maybe take some outside shots. So I can do that if you want, just let me know. Last one, this one's kind of heavy actually. This is called the Long Layer Headband System. And I was just kind of interested in this. I ended up purchasing this, and then I also got a couple of headbands to go with it. Yeah, they're nice. It almost feels like a really thick, like tights. It's kind of what it feels like. All right, so let's go ahead and open the actual system. Woo! This color. Okay, I wanted to try this color because I'd never tried it. This is in the color 3328. Wowza, that's bright. Okay, so this is long, you can see there. This is pretty. Look at this. Now, what makes this like a headband system is that it's not really a full wig. See? So it's kind of like a 3/4 wig. You put this on your head, and then you put the headband around it. Isn't that really pretty? It's like mermaid hair. So pretty. So you have 6 choices to choose from. Remember, this was just an unboxing video. I wasn't planning on trying any of these on or anything like that. Go and vote for the one that you want to see me do a review on first, and I will do that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.